Hi folks, welcome to Get This. I'm Dr. MM, and here's OneNote, episode 13. The Help tab, Feedback. OneNote now has a new tab called Help, nestled between View and Class Notebook. This tab includes some of the features located under Settings, which was the topic of another tutorial. Today I will take a look at feedback. There's another feedback feature which still is under Settings, as you can see. It's called Feedback Hub. However, it's kind of easier to find right now under the Help tab. Let's explore feedback then. And here's the dialog box. If you're not signed in, they will ask you to do so, and OneNote will look for your credentials. The first time you open it, you will see a welcome message explaining a few details. Then click OK. Since I already completed that step, here I am on this screen where I can summarize my feedback or problem and then explain what it is. Once you do that, you will be presented with the category and additional detail sections. I guess it's just a matter of time before OneNote merges its two feedback features in the app. They are a bit different though. I will look at the other feedback feature much deeper in another tutorial. Okay folks, this brings us to the end of today's tutorial on the Help tab and the feedback button in OneNote. I hope you make full use of it from now on. I'm Dr. MM, and I really want you to get this.